Hey guys, this is gonna be a little update on the first free boat that I actually got. I've made a lot of progress. Keep in mind this is not done by any means, but I had to top off. I replaced the stringers. I haven't finished fiberglassing them in, but I've done the stringers and the bulkheads. I put this on because I had some cracked areas before. Some of them I've done. Some of them were already here, but I started repairing a crack that was here. Most of this was missing, so I'm building up this edge. I've got 3 layers of some mat here, and I think 2 layers on this, but I got another 2 layers I'm putting on, and I got 1 more I'm going across this whole thing with. Then I have to like sand it, fill it, block it, all the good stuff. Same with a bunch of random spots in the corners that I broke, fixing all that. I'm gonna pull all this hardware off. This has a couple of screw holes here. I think these look like maybe 3/8, 18 or something. But somebody had a plate that they reinforce. Probably have something on there. I don't think it was like a ski pole, like for like a ski pole or whatever, like for towing. I think it was something to do with maybe fishing. Maybe either some hefty rod holders or downriggers, or something to do with maybe ocean stuff. I don't know. I'm not familiar with that stuff. I definitely want to replace this old piece of wood here. Most of the wood under here is actually really solid though. It's ugly, but solid. So I still have a layer of fiberglass to put on all that, and then I'm gonna put some floors in, fiberglass those in. I'm gonna definitely paint everything too, so it's not just bare fiberglass. I have the drain plug in. I have another drain plug I have to put here, and that gets pulled down in there. That should line up. But yeah, so I think I've settled on a color. White, red, probably a darker-ish red maybe. White, just all freshened up. I might have these re-chrome plated maybe. I don't know. I don't know how far I want to get into it. I gotta get a new windshield made up. I don't know if I'm gonna do it or what, but there's cracks all through it. And here's the engine that's going on this bed unit. This is it's gonna be a fishing and have fun boat. So got a Mariner 45 4-cylinder, and this is gonna be the kicker motor. Just a little 9.5 or something. It's a little speed, what's it say? Sport twin. So they both have compression and crank over. I just don't know if this runs very good, but I bought it as a running working unit. It's got hydraulic tilt controls, all the steering. What should I do with this seat? I don't think I'm gonna put this in it, but I got an old Ranger seat. Pretty excited to do something with that. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But I even have the automatic oil injection kit for that Mariner over there, but I think I'm just gonna leave that as is without it and just premix the gas. I think it's the safer bet. So if you want to see how this thing progresses, check out some of my other projects or see what I have for future projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.